What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today, what I wanted to do was get ready with you super fast. I've got some new products to test out. I've got the new TATI Beauty Blendiful, both of them, a little heart, and I have some very strong emotions about it, as well as the palette. I have the Scott Barnes palette. I have the Dyson Airwrap, like all of these cool things to test out. Let's jump into this super duper quick, tropical heat, no time to get ready with me.
Slipping out the back door, but it's not what you're made for, and there's nothing that is too late for. Out of the cold into my warm hand, in the sun, it's already begun. You waver and slip and you get burned, but I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. Out of the cold into my warm hands, in the sun, it's already begun.
I'm very happy with this look. It's super simple. The lashes are tiny. I actually use Tati's palette for the highlighter and I love it. I'm obsessed with the Blendiful. I think it's like the greatest thing ever. And then like a quick lippy. As long as my brows are done, I'm good to go. So I loved like the orange and like the gold tones. I feel like every color on that palette is fabulous. I'm very impressed with the quality. So this is gonna be my go-to outfit for the day. And the hair will stay, which I love. I love that thing. It's worth the hype. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. If you want to see more like this, let me know down below. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.